Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a pastel bedroom makeover. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna be doing is find decoration. My goal for this makeover was to spend as little as possible, and since I love to do bedroom makeovers, but I'm not gonna be buying room decor every time I decide to do a room makeover because I just have so many different styles that I like. So I constantly like to change my room decor to go with my mood and the aesthetic that I'm into at the moment. So I like to keep this basket full of decoration that I like from different aesthetics that I can keep reusing whenever I have the urge to make over my bedroom. So the first thing I'm gonna do is look in my box of decoration and see what I can use that goes with the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. Once I find everything that I want and pile everything that I'm gonna be using for my room, I will clean my whole bedroom. I will clean all the surfaces, get rid of any dust that's accumulated, and clean the mirrors, clean the floors, all that good stuff to make the room feel refreshed. And the next thing that I'm gonna be doing, which is something that I love to do, is rearrange my bedroom. And I do this way too often. I just really love redecorating, rearranging, and just making the space feel nice and refreshed and new. We have a new clean canvas to work with. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the bed first. Here I have my new Brooklinen bed sheets. Right here I have the Luxe Hardcore Bundle, which includes the pillowcase, the bed sheets, and the duvet cover. I'm really excited for these bed sheets because I find it really hard to find really good quality bed sheets that are 100% cotton, that are also really soft, and that are not super overpriced, and that are really affordable price considering the quality of the pieces. I was in between the solid white or the cream one, but I decided to go with the solid white because I thought it would go perfect with this room makeover that I'm gonna be doing, because it goes really well with pastel colors. Right off the bat, they feel really soft and feel very luxurious. I mean, obviously the name is called Luxe, so I'm guessing that's why they feel so luxurious. I really like that they have a lot of different patterns to choose from, and also like solid colors like this. And actually in the bundle that you create, you can mix and match the patterns and colors that you choose, so you can choose different for pillowcase, the bed sheets, and the duvet cover. The really cool thing about Brooklinen is that not only they are really nice, like they feel really nice on the skin and are really nice for the skin, but they also look really good because they have this really nice clean feeling and luxe feeling to it. And the price range for these bed sheets, it's $200 to $250, but luxury bed sheets usually cost $500, so that's like half the price. So I feel like it's a really good investment. Also, the fact that they will last me a long time is good enough reason for me to get bed sheets from Brooklinen. And Brooklinen is offering us $20 off of any order over $100. So I'm gonna be having the link to these bed sheets on the description of this video, along with a discount code for you guys, so you can also get some Brooklinen sheets. And now that we're done making the bed, I'm gonna be doing some DIYs for the bedroom, because there were some things that I wanted to incorporate into my new bedroom that I didn't already have. And I had some fabric on my fabric box that they were perfect for what I wanted to recreate. And I just made 2 new pillow covers, because I noticed in these pastel bedrooms they always use like some kind of pillows that were either gingham or like plaid fabric. So I wanted to recreate that with purple and blue, because these were the colors that I had lying around, but I felt like I wanted to incorporate this other color. Since I always go for pink, I wanted to go for colors that I usually don't go for, and I wanted to mix and match other colors with the already existing pink that is most predominant in most of my decoration. And now
the funnest part, which is decorating and arranging all the room decor. And here I'm just playing around with the decor and seeing what I like and what I don't like, and I just placing and removing until I'm happy with how things look. And I love that I can make over my bedroom without having to go out and getting a bunch of things. I feel like if you get creative with the things that you already have and also do a little bit DIY, and you can make your room feel and look like a different space without spending any money, or at least spending very little money. Now for wall decor, I decided to do a little collage of different cute pictures to add. I was gonna print some new pictures, but in the end I decided that I was happy with the ones that I already had. And now it's time for the reveal. And we are done. This is the result of my new pastel bedroom makeover. I'm really happy with it. I really like this type of aesthetic because it's very nice and clean. And since it's so minimalistic, I feel like it gives me kind of a peace of mind, because there's not much going around and I feel like very relaxed and peaceful. Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's bedroom makeover and that it inspired you and gave you some ideas if you're also looking to do a room makeover. And I just wanted to add that after sleeping in these bed sheets for a couple days already, I am in love with them because they feel really nice on the skin. It makes the bed feel like a luxury hotel, and it makes it even harder to get out of bed in the morning because of how comfortable it makes the bed. Don't forget to check out Brooklinen and use our discount code of $20 off of any order over $100. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!